Hey folks, Max Leblanc here. Today, the tutorial is about a song from Mumford and Sons, which is called Ditmas. And today, like usually, I'm gonna go through the one verse, the chorus, and then in this case, in the second end of the song, there's a bridge. We're gonna go through that bridge. We're gonna cross that bridge. Bad daddy joke. Um, Today, my Merlin is equipped with a pickup, so I am plugged in my amp. I've got a little modeling amp. It's a Fender Mustang 1 version 2. I did put a very small amount of distortion and absolutely no reverb because the sustain of the Merlin is pretty good naturally. So we're going to go through the chord progression after I'm done, and I'm going to show you where to put your fingers on the fretboard so that you can actually do the chords for the song. So, okay, let's try this. And in time, as one reminds the other of the past, life lived much too fast to hold on to. How am I losing you? Broken house, another dry month waiting for the rain. I have been resisting this decay. I thought you'd do the same. This is all I ever was. This is all you came across those years ago. Now you've gone too far. Don't tell me that I've changed, because that's not the truth. Now I'm losing you. Fragile mind. See? So that's how it starts back with the strumming part for the second verse. So we're gonna go through the bridge, and yeah. So it's always hard when I cut it down to go back to it and be in tone. So I'm gonna try to be as low as possible on this one. So technically, this is not a picking part; it's a strumming part. This bridge. So when you come to it, it's basically where I used to end was where you start. You were the only one. Now I see your eyes move too fast. You were the only one. Careful hands. And then it starts again. So that's it. So basically, the chords. So we start with F. Well, technically it should be F major, but it doesn't sound. I like the F, but the F better. So an F, and then after that a D, A, D, A, E, F, D, A, and we start again. F, D, A, D, A, E, F. A. So we've just gone through the first verse, and then you get to the chorus, and then this is all I D A. This is all you D A E A. Now you've gone too far D A. Don't tell me that I've changed D A E A. And now D A, losing you E. So that's it, and then for the bridge, right? So the bridge is when I used to end F, D, A. You were F, D, A. Now I see your eyes F, D, A. You were F, D, A. So that's it for the progression. So let's see how to put your fingers on the fretboard in order to do these chords. So F is you basically bar all the strings on the second fret, so F, and then the D. The D is 3 and 4 on the second fret, everything else open, and then the A. The A is first string, first fret, 3 and 4, first fret, second open. That's your A. Then you go back to your D, A, E. So the E is, so you basically bar all the strings on the first fret. That's E. Is there another? There's absolutely no other chords on there. So you should be able, with all these chords or these chords, you should be able to play Mumford and Sons. So if you've got any comments, just leave a comments. If you got any requests, do some requests. I can try to transpose songs. As you probably know by now, if you had the Merlin for a little bit of time, it's pretty hard. You have to go around the C chord, so basically there's a lot of transposition. You need to learn how to transpose. There's music apps now on our phones and in the tablet that can actually help you transpose and simplify some songs so that you can actually play them with the Merlin. So hey, I hope you're having fun. I hope this is going to be useful, and we'll see you for another tutorial. So ciao for now.